Assalamualaikum, and hello YouTubers. Our DIY project today is changing drop link bush. I use drop link Nissan Serena C23 to replace bush Satay Proton Wira. It doesn't feel so right when I am cornering. Oh, the bush are gone. That's why. What is the function of this drop link bush? This drop link bush helps in handling your vehicle, especially while cornering. Damaged bush will cause the car to roll over. Change it with silicone will make sure it lasts longer than rubber. Use jack stand to help with the task of changing the drop link bush. This one is still okay. We will insert a new bush in this drop link. First, take off the wheels. Place the wheels under the car for extra safety. Ratchet size 14 mm to open this drop link bolt. Congratulations, you just changed your drop link bush. Use this information at your own risk. Any injury, damage, or loss that may result from improper use of any tools and equipment, or from the information contained in this video, the user must take responsibility. If you think this video helpful for you, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. May the force be with you. Pro2DIY.